Hello friends, good morning. How are you? My name is Gijo Vijayan. I am a blogger, author and entrepreneur based in Bangalore. I teach blogging and digital marketing to students from across the globe. I also create an income working from home by promoting and selling digital and physical products of companies from across the world through affiliate marketing. I create videos on a regular basis and give tips on how to create an income working from home by selling third party products and services through affiliate marketing as well as through writing blogs. Today, I want to introduce you to Instagram University 4.0, a wonderful online course by Mr. Nicholas Pedde, a 23-year-old entrepreneur who is based in Dubai. He has created a wonderful learning program called Instagram University 4.0, which consists of 50 HD videos and Insta Masterclass and theme page creation roadmap, and all this is available to you for just 6.95 US dollars. You can access these courses and leverage your Instagram account. As you know, Instagram has got thousands and thousands of brands promoting and selling their product and services. It has got millions of users every day. So, if you know how to leverage Instagram, you can create lot of product and services as well as sell them online, also promote various product and services. Click on the link given below this video to know more about Instagram University 4.0. All the details are given below. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will keep giving you details about various courses, programs, affiliate programs, etc., which you can leverage to create an income working from home. I also teach blogging and digital marketing to students. If you are interested to learn more, contact me, and all details about myself is given below this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.